Welcome back, my subscribers. Mad Brad here of Mad Brad's Customs. Everybody's saying, where's the update on the Cobra? Well, okay, things is going a little slow, but I'm having to figure it all out. This is an '01 Cobra with low miles, 62,000. Anyway, we decided to put an Eaton supercharger on it. That way people would love to have it. Here we go. Let me just show you what's been going on. Alrighty. Well, number one, this little bolt right here, I dropped down into there if you could see it, and I got to fish it out. Let me see if I can cut this thing on real quick. Yeah, if you can see that little silver right there, that is it. I got a magnet here. We're going to get it out of there because I'm not leaving it under the intake. Anyway, bought all new pulleys for the pulley system. Yep, got the alternator on. Finished and painted everything. You know me, I don't put nothing together without trying to clean it up and finish it and polish it. I use this new Rust-Oleum 600 heat engine paint. I use the clear over everything so it's nice and neat, clean, professional as possible. Anyway, yep, so I ordered this system from a guy in Florida. Not that he's done anything wrong. He has been very, very helpful. I want to show you something I've had to do. The intercooler was bent, and so I don't know whether it happened in shipping or I don't know. But anyway, you know, we went and picked this thing up, met his brother at the drag strip. But anyway, it was tweaked a little bit. So just so I can show you, I finished. Made me a little jig here and straightened it out because it's bent right there. I'm tightening it up a little more, and that should probably get it back straight like it should be. And I may upgrade and just go ahead and get a better cooler. All right, guys, this is what's been going on. The Fast Craft 14 foot's ready. 30 horse Evinrude 2010 goes on it. Anybody wants it, $6,500. We have got it ready to go. Boat has been repainted, hull's been redone, floor's been redone in it. Comes with a trolling motor. Anyway, back to Mustang stuff. All right, we are working on it. I'm trying to figure out the crossover tube problems. This one here's kind of bent up a little bit, and I tried to paint it, but it looks terrible. May go at it again, strip it down, and paint it again. But anyway, all right, don't forget. Hey, like and subscribe to my channel, will you? All right, Mad Brad, and we are out.